everyone, it's Friday, and you know what that means? It's now time for our bold review dito sa Fridays with VMX only on Harriet. And today we are doing another round of review, pero iba natin yung style. Kasi technically, it's supposed to be the review of Unang Tikim, the uncut version. So, my expectations are, this is medyo mas extended siguro. Kita yung mga seg scene. Kasi nung tinignan ko to sa, sa UP Town Center, I've watched the R18 version, and yung mga pagtatalik na eksena, medyo maikli. Okay? So, if you like more of your bold review, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon for more of your bold review dito sa Fridays with VMX only on Harriet. And yes, you are looking at a new PNG tuber. So, blackhead na siya ngayon. See? Pag hindi ako nagsasalita, di siya gagalaw, pas mag-fade pa. Okay. So, nung UP 2000, that was last August when I watched this, August 7, I think. And, yeah. It was the R18 version. So, I assume when they said the uncut version, medyo mas mahaba. Kasi ang puna ko nun, yung mga eksena sa Unang Tikim na pinanood ko sa sinehan, maikli. Like, it's not a Viva Max-ish movie. And I expect na paglabas nila sa Viva Max platform, BMX platform, doon na ipapakita, doon na mag-all out yung eksena. Like, when I expect na makikita ko si Rob Ginto magtatalik kay Christy Imperial kasi tinis sila na may relationship sila at nahuli sila ni Yuna, yung karakter ni Angelica, okay? But, yeah, that doesn't affect things kasi it turns out, based on my observation, kung may nakita kayo kakaiba sa napanood nyo sa sine, whatever is the uncut version is that nirefer nila sa BMX, it is the R18 version na nilabas sa ilang mga selected na sinihan. So, if you expect na yun, mas mahaba, kasi ang runtime ng Unang Tikim nun halos 2 oras. Nakita ko to 1 hour and 41 minutes. I think that is close. So, kung extended yun, that mas matagal pa, di ba? Hindi, parang feel ko mas mabilis pa nga ito eh. Ang feeling kasi mas mabilis kasi napanood ko na dati. Yun. So, there were no added scenes on the uncut version. It is really literally the R18 version. Okay? In-expect ko, yung nagtatalik si Matt Francisco sa si Angelica sa cubicle, yung si Christy Imperial sa si Rob Ginto, any Audrey Avila scenes. Diba? Sa galing ni Audrey Avila sa mga eksenang ganyan. So, ginamit lang siya as Rob Ginto's cousin dito sa pelikula na to. So, if you just want the recap of the story, just go and watch my old review ng Unang Tikim because I'm not gonna be bothered on anything else. So, what I'm going to say is to set your expectations. Celestina is next week. So, I think there will be an R16 and R18 version again. So, i-review ko yun, Celestina. Once they get the schedule right. Wala pang schedule sa SM, wala pang schedule sa wala pang schedule sa SM, wala pang schedule sa mga Ayala Malls. But most likely sa UP Town Center doon daw manonood for the R18 version. Yung R18 version na ipapakita sa Celestina, yun ang papalabas dito sa BMX. So, quite literally, tingin ko, kung ano yung pinakita sa atin, wala na yung tunay na pagtatalik. I think that's it. Unless na i-release nila ulit yung Unang Tikim, director's cut, as andun na yung mga pagtatalik. That's that. I think it's the story is finished, di ba? No more. Parang yun na, tapos na. Another thing to note, okay. So, wala tayong kailangan pag-usapan pa and I need to pad this video to 8 minutes per the monetization criteria. So, I'm just going to say na ano man yung tier niya last time in August, what I gave, that's the same tier. So I think it's all-nighter. Although, I think it's getting review bomb sa BMX platform, 2 stars. Kahit hindi naman siya 2 stars sa tingin ko. I gave it a 3 actually. I think kasi na-expect rin ng mga tao yung ano yung yun nga nagdag. Okay, what else? Yeah, I'm gonna pad this video for a while. So Nico David is getting cancelled. He is only 403,000 subscribers now. Yung dating tingin ko dyan, 415,000 subscribers is getting cancelled. I left out my reaction in one of my Honkai Star Rail videos ata. Honkai Star Rail ba yun? Hindi. Hindi Honkai Star Rail yun. I think, yeah, it's the Arcane review. So, kung gusto niyo malaman ang kwento kay Nico David, just go to the Arcane finale. It's 38 minutes long. I pad that with my Nico David insights. Okay, ano ba pwede natin pag-usapan? December 6, we are going to check out, we are going to review twice, Pinya, Star Angelica Hart, and Candy Veloso. And there will be another review. It will be the annual anime review, anime bold review, and it will be Mankitsu happening. So this is the second anime bold that we review on this channel. You can check out the first one, Overflow. So marami tayong tatag sa I think. Pero yeah, it is what it is, diba? Ayun. Okay, so ilan pa? Okay, with at least 1 minute, I'm just going to promote a little bit of stuff. We are now 9,000 subscribers. Thank you for that. I bought a new monitor recently. Okay. Oh yeah, Sunday is next Wednesday. I will be live streaming that SOB. Finally, my pants are getting tight. And if you meron kayong alright, 2 weeks na yung Grand Beaniverse, so I think it's time to republish that video. The last time, yung time na nakapublic yung video na yun, there are like 2 Beanie supporters na umatake sa akin saying na di daw positive, di daw ako, nagkukumpara ako lang nagkukumpara. But I think it's 2 weeks na this Monday. I think it's safe to republish that video. So, or hindi pa. Medyo may mga nakikita pa ako sa algorithm ng Yeah, let's give it a month. Okay? Let's give it a month para lumipas. Siguro di ko mapapublish. Ayan. 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is your boy, the God Gamer himself, Harriet. Goodbye and good night. Bang!